How to sell crypto on the Binance app. In this video, I will show you how to sell crypto on the Binance app. So I'm going to show you how to sell crypto on Binance in two different ways. The two different ways are converting and trading. If you want the simplest way to do this, but not the cheapest, then you can do this by converting your crypto. There are no fees for converting, but Binance will include a spread in the price, which can vary based on market conditions. So to convert your crypto, press trade in the middle of the bottom menu, then press convert in the top left. At the top, we have two options, a market order and a limit order. A market order sells the crypto at the current market price, or alternatively, you can create a limit order where you can sell your crypto at a desired price if it is reached. I'm going to cover both, but I will start with a market order. A market order is the simpler of the two and works best if you want to sell your crypto right now. If you are also looking for the quickest and basic option of all of these in this demo, then this is the one. In the from box at the top on the left, you can pick the crypto that you want to sell. All the cryptos you hold will be at the top of this list. I'm going to pick Ethereum. In the second drop down in the to box, you can see all the currency pairs that you can exchange Ethereum for. It's worth bearing in mind that some cryptos have more currency pairs than others. For example, I can convert Ethereum to South African Rand, but a crypto such as Gala, I can't, and I would need to transfer it via a more popular crypto such as USDT before transferring to South African Rand. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to pick USDT, which is a stable coin and is basically one-to-one to the US dollar. You can now key in the amount of the crypto you want to sell, and below this you will see an estimated amount of how much you will receive in the other currency. You can then press preview conversion, where Binance will lock in a price for a number of seconds, and if you're happy with this, you can press convert. I'm not going to do this as I want to show you a limit order, so if we flip over at the top, again, I'll pick Ethereum in the from box as I want to sell my Ethereum, and similarly, I'll pick USDT in the to box. I'll pick the max amount again in the top box to sell all of my Ethereum, but you can also key in an amount here. Now in the bottom box, we want to key in the price we are happy to sell our crypto at. For example, you may have seen that Ethereum was recently selling at $4,000, and you know you will get more money back in USDT if it goes back to this price. But by choosing this option, there is no guarantee that the price will go back to this, and prices could keep going down, so it's worth bearing this in mind. Anyway, I'm going to key in 4,000 and then press place order. And you can review this, and if you're happy with this, you can press confirm to place the order. It will now appear in your open orders where you can cancel this at any point, which I'm going to do so I can show you the cheaper way to sell your crypto. So the other option is to trade your crypto. So what you want to do is press trade in the bottom menu. Then you want to make sure this is set to spot in the top, and then you want to pick your currency pair in the top left. So I'm going to pick Ethereum / USDT as I'm selling my ETH for USDT. I want to then make sure this is on sell. Then below this, we want to pick whether we want a market or limit order, exactly as we did before. So I'll start with a market order. I will then key in how much Ethereum I want to sell or use the slider, and you'll see the associated fee and a rough idea of how much USDT you will receive. While there is a fee with this, you are not paying Binance a spread, and the prices by trading it are better than what you will get via converting. If you press sell ETH, then it will process instantly. I'm not going to do this as I want to show you a limit order. So if I flip over to limit, it's exactly the same as it was before. I need to make sure this is on sell, and then in the top box, I'll key in my limit price. For this demo, I'm going to key in 4,000. Below this, I'll key how much ETH I want to sell. I'm going to use the slider and set this to the max, and then I can press sell ETH. Binance will now sell when and if my limit price is reached. And in the meantime, if I want to change this order, then I can cancel it at the bottom of the screen. So anyway, that is how to sell crypto on the Binance app. If you got any value from this video, then please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're just getting started with crypto, then you may be wondering what's the difference between a coin and a token. So I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.